creating content is it's just so much better when you're doing it because you just fucking feel like it. You sincerely just get used to recording and documenting whatever the fuck you feel like doing. When you are not doing it because you are looking for views and you're looking for subscribers, or you're having to feed yourself or else, then it's just so much fun. It's so much more fun. It's so much more enjoyable. That being said, let's get to it. The illusion of passive income. You see these dudes online always selling you on fucking passive income. It's a lie. All income is active at first. You don't just magically get paid. You have to build the machine first. Passive income is just the harvest from a lot of hard, ugly fucking work. Stop looking for passive fucking income and start looking for productive. And boom.